you how to check your Nigerian tax ID. Go to Nigerian tax ID checker dankoresoft.com. Now, once you get there, depending on what you want to check, let's say you want to check your own personal tax ID, well, go to the individual tab. Enter your NIN number, your national identification number, that is. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, then agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then click check now. That is it, folks. And if you want to check your company's tax ID, you do the same. You select your organization type, then you enter your registration number, otherwise known as the RC number. That is your CAC registration number. Click agree now and click check now. And that is it, folks. If you like it, share, give us a thumbs up, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.